Are you a nonprofit worker struggling with accounting in areas with unreliable internet? Today, we are diving straight into using Offline Peachtree, now Sage 50, to keep your charity's finances in check, even without a stable internet connection first. Ensure you've already downloaded and installed Peachtree on your computer while you have internet access. Open Peachtree. The key to offline use is having all your data stored locally. To access your company file offline, navigate to the File menu. From there, select Open Company. Choose the company file that is saved on your computer's hard drive. Remember, this file contains all your chart of accounts, transactions, and other financial data. Once your company file is open, you can access all the essential features. Let's start with the chart of accounts. You can view and manage your organization's chart of accounts, ensuring all income and expenses are correctly categorized. This gives you a clear understanding of your financial position. Now, let's see how to record income and expenses offline. Go to the Tasks menu and select General Journal Entry. Enter your date, account, amount, and a descriptive memo and click to save the transaction. You can input donations, grants, utilities, or any other relevant financial activities. One of Peachtree's most valuable functions is reporting. Access the Reports menu to generate crucial financial statements. Even offline reports like the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement are essential for tracking your charity's financial health. By following these quick steps, you can confidently manage your nonprofit's accounting even without internet access. Keeping your charity's finances organized doesn't have to be a struggle.